I was compensated for this review. This is the fire pit ring. It comes in 4 pieces, as you can see, and it comes with 12 screws and 12 nuts and instructions. So I'm going to put this together and put it outside and see how it works. As you can see, there's a little bit of a groove right here. I'm going to make sure that piece goes under the other one, and there's a little bit of a groove on this one. I'm going to make sure that goes behind the other piece. I'm going to do that on all 4 pieces. I'm going to put the screws all on the top and then the nuts along the bottom, and then the nut on the inside right here, and then the screws are going to go on the outside. I'm going to do that all the way around. This is made out of a heavy-duty steel, so it is definitely going to last a long time. And then I'm just going to go through and tighten them all. This is the 36 to 42 inch fire pit ring. As you can see, I have the stones to put on the outside of the fire ring, and I'm going to put the last few on here and then put the fire ring inside. And this is going to be great. It's going to line the fire just enough, but it's going to leave a little bit of a gap at the bottom so there can be air that travels through to help make it create less smoke. And I am leaving a little room for heat expansion. You can see what it looks like. It fits perfectly in there. And these stones are 4 inches high, so you can see there is a little bit of a gap at the bottom to help with airflow. And now I'm going to put some bricks on there, and then I have some road base I'm pouring on top, and then I can put the wood in. And here it is with the fire lit. This is amazing. And since this is a steel material, it has a black coating that helps with extreme heat and resist rust. So it's going to last for a long time, and I think it looks really nice. I hope this review helps.